So I just followed the food dudes, I believe is who they are, on TikTok, and I'm gonna try one of the recipes tonight. I needed refried beans. I'm glad I got meat. Yeah, hot. Got the taco seasoning. Some of her peppers. Okay, so you have to get a big tortilla shell. You're gonna get some of the, and then it said, where to pick it up. Go figure. On it, it'll be fine. Out. Just gonna fold it. I think they folded theirs. Skillet out, and I have my 4 big. So just to pour it over the top of those. It also 100 degrees for 20 minutes. So I just turned my oven on. I have to let that get hot, and then I'm gonna put the skillet into the oven. That's how she eats. With one foot propped up. Okay, our oven is finally at 400. Hold on, baby. Oh, I can't do that with my left hand. 20 minutes. I hope that those can go in the oven with those handles, so we shall see if my handle is melted off by the time I get it open. Let's hope not. That's good. 10 out of 10. Yeah, I like that.